Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundraising 101. In the last episode, we discussed about due diligence, what are the various types of DDs and many more things about DD. In this episode, we are going to discuss about how to prepare for a DD. So I am Abhijith Preman, practicing chartered accountant. So contrary to what I said just now, there is nothing called preparing for a DD. Your books and compliances should always be DD ready. In order to make sure that your books and compliances are DD ready, we should be actually following many practices, many hygienic practices. A few among that would be kind of ensuring that your books are updated on a real-time basis, your compliances are filed properly without any delay, and your compliance filings are matching with the books of account, and also to create a data room. So I'll tell you what a data room is. Maybe the first 3 steps you might be aware of. So I'll tell you about what a data room is. A data room is nothing but a folder wherein you just categorize your documents properly on a real-time basis. So you can have a folder like master document where you can upload your articles of association, memorandum of association, certificate of incorporation, PAN card copy, GST registration certificate, and what all relates to your master. Then you can have a folder wherein you can kind of put in all the agreements that the company have, the rental agreement, the employee agreement, and everything. Then you can have a folder for GST returns, wherein you can put all the GST returns. Then you can have a folder for income tax returns, wherein you can put the income tax returns. There is no kind of hard and fast rules for this. It is based on your kind of desire and what to do and how to categorize it. So the good thing about keeping a data room ready is that whenever you are undergoing a DD, initially the consultant who is going to perform the DD would be sending you a checklist. So we will have to provide the data requested by the consultants maybe in the format in which they have requested, or we can share the link of our data room. So the good thing about maintaining a real-time data room is that you will not have to run behind your kind of accountant or the chartered accountant for collating the data again and then giving it to the consultant. This actually reduces a very good amount of time in the whole DD process. Red flags are identified during the DD process, and the investors may ask corrections in the books based on the DD report. So it is actually again going to be kind of you have to go back, make the corrections, come back. It again adds a lot of time to the whole fundraising process. So like I told, DD is a very time consuming process, and the more non-compliant you are, DD is going to be a never-ending process. In the coming episodes, we will be discussing a lot more about cap table, employee stock option plans, and many other terms associated with the fundraising process. Thank you. See you all in the next episode.